Hey everyone, welcome back again. So today in this video we are going to talk about left join in SQL. So if we talk about left join, it returns all the record from the left table and the matching record from right table. So let's understand it clearly. So let's say this is our left table or first table. So this is our left table and it is containing two columns, one with id and second one is name. Id is 1 2 3 and 4 and name is abcd. And second table or the right table, so this table is containing also some, let's say some, also it is containing some id and name, and its id is 1 2 and 4 and name is x y and z. Okay, so if we do left join on both the tables, we will get all the records from the left table. So we will get all the records from left table. So here we will get all the records, and from the right table we get only those records which are matching in both left and right table. Okay, so here we will get output of all the records from left table, that is 1 2 3 and 4, and their corresponding name is a b c and d. And from the right table we will get id of 1 2 and 4, and their respective name is x y and g. So what will come here, because 3 is not present in the right table, so here null will come. Okay, because for id 3 there is nothing matching in the right table, and as you can see that in the left join part we get all the records in inner join, and what's remaining in the left table we get all those records. Okay, so now let's see the syntax for left join. So for the syntax for left join is this is, so the syntax is select, then you will pass the column names which you want in the result from table 1 left join table 2. So why this is called left join, because this is the left table, as you can see that this is on your right hand left hand side, and this is on right hand side. So whatever table is on the left hand side we will get all the records from that table, and which is in the right hand side we will get only those records from those records which are matching in both the tables. Okay, after that we will write on, and table 1 dot column name, whatever the column is common between both the table we will pass that column name here and here also. So now let's see how to use left join practically. So here we have an employee table which is containing employee id, employee name and department id, and in department table it is containing department id and department name. So we want the department names for all the employee, including his employee id, employee name, and instead of department id we want department name. So for that we have to do join on both the tables. So let's see, if we perform left join here, so we have to write select a star. So first we are doing a star to get all the columns from both the table, then from employee, here employee is the left table, and then we perform a left join, and after that we write department d on e dot department id is equal to d dot department id. That means here department id is common in both the tables, so we are using that column to perform join. So if we fire this query, you can see that for department id 1 2 and 3, all the details we are getting the department name for the respective department id 1 2 and 3, and for in department id 5 we are getting null. because department ID 5 is not present in department table. Okay, so now we only want employee ID, employee name and department name. So from the first table we want employee ID, employee name, this is EMP name, EMP name, and from the second table we want department name, D dot department name. Okay, and if we run this query, you can see that we are only getting those columns which we want. So this is employee ID, employee name and his or her department name. So hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.